Now, we need a lot of masks to protect our people, to protect our community. So, we invested 5 million RMB in a mask factory. Later, I will show you the detailed certificate of our mask factory. If you need mask, please remember I'm here in China to help you. You can contact me today. Now, let me show you the detailed certificate of our mask factory. This is the second-class medical device business license. License number. Our factory in Dongguan City. This is the customs registration, so we can export our mask. This is our production registration for the medical devices. The registration number. This is our FDA for the disposable mask and the KN95 mask. This is our CE certificate for the disposable mask. Verification to this standard. This is our C certificate for our KN95 mask. Verification to this standard. So we have CE and FDA. We can export our mask.